Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn about how to update record in SQL, how to delete record in SQL, and how to select topmost value from records. So I'm selecting my database. I named it practice TV. Now I'm going to new query. Now for example, I'm selecting students table. Select static from students. For selecting, I will write select static from students. So it provides me record of student table. Now I want to update this record. This student name say Farhan, so I want to update this name Farhan. So how can I update this name? So for getting the desired result, I will use update query. Update. Now table name, that is students. Update students set in which column I want to update student name. Set student name equals to Faizan. So I'm basically changing Farhan into Faizan, and where I want to update this record, with student ID, is 1, where student ID is 1. Okay, so I select this all. I'm executing it. I can use Alt X or execute from here, F5. So you see one row affected. Now if I select again, you can see the record is updated. Farhan is changed into Faizan. Now where student ID is 1, you can see the name is Faizan, and city is obviously Karachi. Now let's say if I want to delete one of the records from this table. Now if I want to record now say if I want to delete last record where student name is Heather, so I will use delete command, delete from students table name, obviously delete from students. So where I want to delete, where student ID is 4, or I can also write where student name is Heather equals to Heather. Well, I'm here using student ID where student ID equals to 4. Now if I execute this, Alt X, now I'm selecting it. So you can see here the last record is deleted from the table. So that's how you can use update query and delete query in SQL. Okay. Now now moving on to top command. Select top say top 1 asterisk from table name. Yeah, I'm executing it. So you see, it provides me topmost record. Number one, topmost mean number one record of it, because I have written one here, top 1 static from student. So it provides me topmost record. Now let's say I want records in terms of percentage. Now let's say select top 20%. Now out of 100% I want 20% of records. Let's say out of 100% I want 20% records. So select top 20% static from students. Now I'm executing it. Okay, so there are 3 records. So 20% of if you calculate 20% of it, so it will only give me 1 record. Example, if I write here 40%, let's see what it is showing me in result. Yeah, now it is providing me 2 records. For example, if I select 60% and if I select 100%, so it will provide me all data in the table. So you see, that's how top command work. It is written with select top static from students. So that's all, guys. We learned today about update command, delete command, and top command. I hope you find it interesting and learn something here. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.